How to make easy spaghetti with meatballs. First things first, let's put 700 grams of ground beef in a bowl and add 2 eggs. And then add 2 cups of parmesan cheese and 2 cups of breadcrumbs. You mix them all together. Until well blended. Next, we shape them into small balls. Next step, we heat oil in a pan and we fry the meatballs until golden brown. And once done, set it aside. Now it's time to make the sauce. First, we saute the onions, and then we add the grated carrots. Cook them for some minutes. And then we add the tomato puree, around 540 grams. And then we mix it well again. And then we season with some salt. Finally, we add in the cooked spaghetti. And we mix it well again. And we drizzle with more parmesan cheese upon serving. And we're done. Thank you for watching.